Let's dive into the project settings. You can access it via the account drop-down on the top right of the dashboard. The settings let you adjust your app to work for you. Update your profile info, add custom logos, and modify the look with dates and colors. Switch between dark or light mode. The project config is a key area to focus on. Each project can be configured uniquely. Update formal project details, adjust groups, and manage disciplines as needed. Manage roles for different project members. Set up your team and define annotation types. Annotation types appear when adding notes to drawings. Customize or rename them. The AI finding feature aids in takeoffs and information display. Approvals allow shared and external users to approve items. You can add an approval workflow to any annotation type, as well as change colors and shapes. In the visibility section, you can adjust what roles can see the information. You might want contractors to create safety alerts, but not need the designer to see it. You might not want anyone except your team to see your takeoffs, so turn it off for everyone except the team role. Same for the AI findings. Approvals may only be between you and the client, so turn it off for everyone else. You can also adjust status, tags, and various other project settings. The next section is notifications for what and when emails are sent to the team. Decide if actions send immediately or are compiled in a digest. For digests, choose the send schedule. Currently, they're set for 9 a.m. on weekdays, but you can change the frequency. With settings in place, you'll receive notifications as scheduled. Manage shared access and set billing details here. You can customize the AI assistant. Define who can access it, be it just you, everyone, or specific roles. Provide custom instructions for the AI, like using Australian building codes or metric units if in Australia. Exclude certain info from searches and track activity. Explore referrals, affiliates, and API connections to other apps. Adjust general notifications here too. Doclio also has an offline mode for when you don't have a connection. Once you have your project settings set up for how you work, you can duplicate them for whenever you create a new project. Jump into the project settings to set up Doclio for how you work. And don't forget the demo project is available to test any settings before you roll them out to your project. That's a quick overview of the project settings. You can also ask the AI assistant for help and check out the support library for more information.